I mean, this is our process, but if you're purchasing remotely, you can follow the same process. But we require our sellers to repair everything on the summary page of the inspection and then send proof that those repairs were made in the form of usually photos. There's some things that you repair and it looks the same before and after. And so it's a little tricky. So, like an invoice, or sometimes we'll have a video. So, a good example of that is the faucet in the bathroom is super, super slow. And so they'll send a video showing that it was no longer slow. But for the most part, photos or invoices work great. Having all of that, keeping it and storing it so that way if anything comes up, you can show that. In fact, I just had a client that had an accident at the house he owns where the deck collapsed and the deck was on the inspection report, and we had the proof of repair and a photo showing it was repaired, and I was able to send that to the insurance adjuster. I mean, it was a game changer for him. So keeping that stuff is helpful. Having your inspection report from when you purchased, super helpful.